Autosteer is a driver assist feature within Tesla's autopilot system, designed to help with lane keeping and speed control on highways and well-marked roads. It uses cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to detect lane markings and surrounding vehicles. The system then provides gentle steering inputs to keep the Model Y centered in its lane, while also maintaining a safe following distance from the car ahead. Autosteer is not fully autonomous and requires active driver supervision at all times. First, ensure your Tesla Model Y is in drive mode before enabling Autosteer. Next, pull the right-hand cruise control stalk towards you twice quickly to activate Autosteer. Alternatively, navigate to the touchscreen settings, Controls, then Autopilot, and select Enable Autosteer. The system will then prompt you to confirm that you understand the feature's limitations. Autosteer requires you to keep your hands on the wheel at all times for proper supervision. Finally, Autosteer can only be activated when the vehicle's speed is above 18 miles per hour, or 29 kilometers per hour. Autosteer requires active driver supervision at all times. You must remain attentive and ready to take control. The system uses torque sensors in the steering wheel to detect if your hands are present. If no torque is detected for 5 to 10 seconds, a chime will sound to alert you. If your hands remain off the wheel for around 30 seconds, Autosteer will automatically disengage. Always keep your hands on the wheel when using the system. Autosteer has limitations in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain, fog, or snow. It may not function correctly on roads with faded or unclear lane markings. Always be prepared to manually steer the vehicle. Autosteer is a driver assist feature, not autonomous driving. Stay alert and maintain control at all times. Autosteer is integrated into Tesla's full self-driving FSD supervised mode. This enhanced system includes Navigate on Autopilot, which allows the car to suggest and make lane changes. It can navigate highway interchanges and exits, and even handle merges in certain conditions. Keep in mind that even with FSD supervised mode enabled, the driver is still responsible for monitoring the vehicle's operation and intervening when necessary. FSD is currently in advanced beta testing and is not yet fully autonomous. Tesla has implemented several safety features to ensure responsible use of Autosteer. The system includes emergency braking and pedestrian detection to mitigate potential collisions. Driver monitoring is a critical component, with Tesla continuously improving its hand detection algorithms to prevent distracted driving. The cabin camera above the rearview mirror detects and alerts driver inattentiveness. It is crucial to avoid any activities that divert your attention from the road while using Autosteer, such as texting, watching videos, or engaging in prolonged conversations. Distracted driving poses significant risks and can lead to serious incidents. A common mistake drivers make with Autosteer is assuming it's a fully autonomous system. This leads to complacency, where drivers might take their hands off the wheel for too long or become distracted, forgetting that the system still requires active supervision. Autosteer is designed as a driver assist feature, not self-driving, and always needs human intervention for complex situations. Another frequent mistake is using Autosteer in unsuitable conditions, such as heavy traffic, roundabouts, unprotected left turns, or complex urban environments. The system is optimized for highways and divided roads above 18 miles per hour and may not handle these situations reliably, potentially leading to disengagements or unsafe behavior. Always assess the driving environment before enabling Autosteer. If Autosteer disengages unexpectedly, take manual control of the vehicle immediately. This can occur for reasons like insufficient hand detection on the wheel, encountering unsupported road types, or system safety checks. The dashboard will show warnings, as seen here, reminding you to hold the wheel manually. Always be prepared to take over driving at any moment. If you experience issues like frequent disengagements or inaccurate lane keeping, first check your vehicle's software version and install any available updates. Additionally, inspect and clean all sensors, including cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, as obstructions from dirt, mud, or debris can impair Autosteer's functionality. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance. Tesla is continuously refining Autosteer through software updates and advancements in AI. Future improvements may include better handling of unprotected left turns, more accurate object detection, enhanced performance in challenging weather conditions. Tesla is also working towards Level 4 autonomy, which would allow the vehicle to handle most driving situations without driver intervention, though this is still under development. Expect to see these features enhance the existing Autosteer functionality in the future. Real-world user studies demonstrate that Autosteer significantly reduces driver fatigue during long highway trips. In a 2025 study, Tesla Model Y owners reported up to 70% fewer fatigue-related errors when using Autosteer on 500-mile journeys, allowing drivers to focus on navigation while the system handles routine steering and speed adjustments. Tesla's extensive data collection reveals compelling safety benefits. According to 2025 reports, vehicles using autopilot, including Autosteer, experience a 40% lower crash rate per mile compared to human-driven cars. This statistic is based on over 2 billion miles of autopilot-enabled driving data, highlighting the system's effectiveness in preventing accidents. Despite these benefits, safety advocates like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety emphasize the dangers of automation complacency. This occurs when drivers overtrust the system, potentially leading to distracted driving. A 2024 study found that 40% of autopilot users admitted to engaging in secondary tasks while the system was active. AI ethicists and autonomy experts stress the importance of ethical data practices and rigorous testing. Tesla has faced criticism for its data collection methods, though the company anonymizes user data post-2024 GDPR updates. Experts like Carnegie Mellon's Raj Rajkumar praise Autosteer's neural network approach for outperforming traditional systems, while calling for continuous validation to ensure reliability. In summary, Autosteer represents a powerful tool for enhancing driving safety and convenience. However, its effectiveness depends on responsible use. Drivers must remain vigilant, stay informed about its capabilities and limitations, and always be prepared to take control. When used correctly, Autosteer can transform long drives into safer, more comfortable journeys.